You don't want to eat your food? Why? Jada,
We're in the Bronx.
you not hungry?
Beautiful melting pot, so much history.
But I bet you if you want to go outside, you'd be ready, right? Look at
We're
you.
the health plan that knows the
Oh,
Bronx. So we
oh,
know
you got a lot of energy when it's time to go outside.
OTC benefits and having your
When you
own
say
care
outside,
are really important.
you ready?
If you have Medicare,
Then you're
or
ready, huh?
Medicare and Medicaid,
That's when you're
call
ready?
Elder Plan now. 1-866-370-2617.
You gonna eat? Huh?
Next stop,
You gonna eat your food?
Queens.
Gonna eat your food, mommy?
You probably know in National Forester Act we install flooring the next day.
Well, what are we gonna do?
What's the big deal? Well, if you go to
We got a lot of
flooring
running
store
around
or
to do, but I want you to eat first. You holding me up. I'm gonna leave you here.
Just ask them. Well, you don't think that's right. A National Forester Act,
sleepy?
if you call today, you'll see a representative when you
You
want.
sleepy?
And you'll have your flooring
Night-night?
installed the next day. So get the flooring experience you deserve. And we'll beat their price
Outside?
by 50% too. Call 888-400-FLOORING.
And are you ready?
45,000 New Yorkers have joined the Freedom Care family, where a family
You trying to ignore me?
gets paid to
Huh?
care for loved ones in need.
I told Mom I'd be
You're
caring for
sleepy,
her.
but
Her face lit up.
Funded by
I can
Medicaid,
tell you
Freedom
trying to
Care allows
hang.
people to choose who provides their care, and the caregiver gets paid instantly after their shift.
Dad's spirit soared.
You really don't feel like moving,
Call now to find out
but
benefits and how fast you can
you
get
want to
started.
try to hang. But your eyes is telling you differently. It's like, let's go to sleep. But I really want to go outside. But I'm really not ready. You ready? You ready to go? Huh? You ready to go? Are you going to eat?